This might just be the easiest butterscotch sauce you'll ever make, and once you try it, you're never going back to store-bought again. No fancy ingredients, no complicated steps, just rich, buttery magic in minutes. I'm Lisa from Garlic and Zest, and I'll help you make quick and easy modern recipes without spending hours in the kitchen. This amazing butterscotch starts with a quarter cup of unsalted butter. Melt it in the pan over medium heat, and then we're going to add a cup of light brown sugar. And for contrast, I like to add about a teaspoon of flaky sea salt. That may seem like a lot, but trust me, it works in this recipe. So we're just going to mix this up until the ingredients are completely combined, and then the sugar starts to melt. As a fail-safe, you can add a tablespoon of cornstarch, and this will help prevent the sauce from splitting or becoming greasy. So just work this in until it's really smooth and all of the brown sugar has melted and it's got this glossy look. If this is your kind of cooking, quick, simple, and very good, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. So next, we're going to add the heavy cream, and this is going to splutter a bit when you first add it, but don't worry, it's supposed to do that. Use your whisk or a wooden spoon and just vigorously stir it until you're combining all of the cream with the butterscotch mixture. And it may take a minute or so to do this. In fact, this whole recipe probably only takes about 10 minutes from start to finish. So just continue to whisk and blend, and those little bits of the butterscotch are going to melt right back into the heavy cream, and it's going to become this smooth, glossy sauce. Finish with a little bit of vanilla extract, and that's it. You can use this sauce immediately, but if you like a thicker butterscotch sauce, put it into the fridge for a few hours. It'll thicken as it chills, and wait till you see the end result. Look at that. It's smooth, glossy, perfectly thick. It's got that deep buttery flavor with just the right amount of sweetness and contrasting salt. Kind of like caramel, but even richer. And over ice cream, it melts right in and creates this silky layer that's honestly hard to beat. This kind of sauce is one that turns a simple scoop into something really special. And the best part is it comes together in about 10 minutes, so it's perfect for last-minute entertaining. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit like and subscribe and follow along with me, Lisa, from Garlic and Zest for more modern recipes for your family table. And if you want to take this even further, click the link for my easy peanut butter magic shell. It's amazing. Enjoy.